Legend says vipers once hid in lavender bushes, which gave lavender the meaning mistrust. Wild, right? But here's my 2-minute plan to turn that spooky lore into a garden when you can actually smell. First, pick a spot with full sun, like as much as you've got. Lavender is a solar panel with leaves. Second, think bad soil on purpose. Sandy, gravelly, fast draining. If your dirt is rich and heavy, mix in coarse sand or small gravel until it feels gritty. Raised beds or mounds help too. Third, choose the right type. If winters are cold, go English lavender, lavandula angustifolia. Hot, dry climates, Spanish types, Portuguese types. Now plant on a slight mound, spacing 18 to 24 inches so air can move. Don't bury the crown. Water like you trust the roots to work. Deep, then let the soil dry out. Overwatering is the real snake in the grass here. Fertilizer? Keep it minimal. Too much food makes leaves, not blooms. Lavender thrives on low expectations. Mulch with gravel, not bark. Gravel keeps stems dry and heats up, which lavender loves. After the first big bloom, shear plants back by about 1/3 to keep them compact and flowering. Don't cut into old woody stems. Container grower? Use a terracotta pot with big drainage holes and a gritty mix. Same rules. Full sun, water sparingly. Harvest when buds show color but before they fully open. Early morning is peak fragrance. Dry small bundles upside down in a cool, airy spot. Winter plan, in wet climates, prioritize drainage. In cold zones, pick hardy varieties, avoid soggy soil, and give them a breathable cover if needed. So yeah, lavender's old school meaning is mistrust, but plant it right, and it'll earn your trust fast with silver leaves, buzzing pollinators, and that clean, calming scent every time you brush by. Myth at the start, payoff in the garden. Let's grow it.